Hey everyone, welcome back to the Digital Guide. Today, we're diving into a powerful Facebook feature that most people ignore, but it could save your account from hackers or nosy access. It's called Where You're Logged In. Think of it as your Facebook CCTV, showing exactly where your account is active and letting you kick out unwanted intruders with just one click. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your desktop, laptop, or mobile. In the top right corner, click the little drop down arrow or your profile account itself. Then go to settings and privacy. From there, hit settings. Under settings and privacy, just scroll down and look for your activity. Under that, your activity, have activity log. Under Activity Log, look to the left-hand menu and click on Security and Login Information. This is Facebook's control room for keeping your account safe. Then finally, click where you're logged in. Here in the login area, I can check out the devices I've used, the sites I've logged into, and even the IP addresses linked to those sessions. Here's the good stuff. Under where you're logged in, as I've said, you'll see a list of devices, browsers, and location where your account is active. For example, your phone, your laptop, maybe your work PC, and hopefully not a random cafe computer in Brazil unless you're on a vacation there. Now, if you see something you don't recognize, all you have to do is click the three dots on the right and select Log Out. In that case, Facebook will kick that device out immediately. Let's take a closer look at the Where You Log In feature and explore its benefits and functionalities. First, account security check. You can check if your account is logged in somewhere you don't recognize, such as another country or device. If you spot something suspicious, you can log it out immediately. Second, device management. Maybe you log in at a friend's phone, a work computer, or another device and forgot to log out. This feature allows you to end the session remotely. Third is privacy protection. It prevents others from snooping on your account if you accidentally stay logged in on a shared device. And fourth is peace of mind. It helps you keep track of where your account is open so you know exactly what devices have access. So basically, it's a safety net that helps you stay in control of your Facebook account. And that's it. A simple check that can save you a massive headache. Facebook's Where Your Login feature is like your personal bodyguard against hackers or even just your younger sibling who borrowed your laptop. So go ahead, Take yours today and lock down your account. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more digital life hack, and share this with someone who needs to know this. Remember, your online security is only as strong as your last password. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.